Alright, what's up, y'all? So NASA is being very uh, suspicious right now. I think it could sweep this high right here, this internal high, because within this dealing range right here, within this dealing range, that's the first internal high for me after this market structure shift. Alright, so we had that shift right here. That's the internal high that's been um, created. So I kind of want to see price taking out that high. So I'm expecting 9:30 to either go down and take out these, or if not, then probably gonna sweep this high, particularly this one, and then gonna sell it from there. Or if not, it can literally push higher and take out this 1 hour buy side liquidity. So I'm kind of bullish for today because uh, for the for the whole week we've been going down. So I kind of want to see Friday uh, pulling back into this volume imbalance on the daily time frame. So, and just below that volume imbalance, we have these hourly swing highs where buy side is residing. So I kind of want to see those highs get taken. But we had all this run higher without any sort of major pullback. That's what I'm thinking gonna happen. I think probably price could take a retracement into this gap right here. Yeah, that particular one. And we have this cell site just above that. So yeah, price could do that. And let's go on a 1 minute time frame. So yeah, let's see if we have any uh, entry at the moment. I'll probably wait, bro, because I low-key think price could take out this internal high right here. But let's see. And we have another inversion fair value gap right here as well. So yeah, price is breaking off of that. Let's see. If I see anything, I'll jump in. Unless I see anything on get involved. I'm not gonna get involved in any sort of trade, alright? Alright. Alright, so if we break below this low right here, I'm gonna enter as short position. Yep. But if we break this high right here, I'm gonna go long this high. Okay. Well, I'll tell you in a while, alright? So the thing is, for me, this from this high to this low, that's also an external range. I mean, dealing range, all right? That's external high from me for this portion of price, all right? That's external high, that's external range low. And within that, we have this internal high that's been ran through. So if price doesn't break below that, this external low or any sort of internal low, but we do not have an internal low. So in that case, there is a high probability that it's probably gonna break this internal high, which can indicate that now it shifted its bias from uh, bias to bullish. Um, that's the explanation, I think. So it could do that, but if it breaks below this low, I'm gonna enter a short position. All right, I don't care about the 9:30 because if I'm right, it will deliver what I'm saying. But if it stays within this range before 9:30, I'm not gonna enter any position because in that case, it's probably gonna spike up and down. All right, so we're going short right now. We have our internal low structure, internal structure back right there, and I'm gonna put my stop loss just there. And I want to see how where this goes. All right, my initial target would be this low right here. Let's see how it delivers from there. So that's the shape for me, and we can use this down close candle as our breaker block. This one. I want to see how this candle close. Okay, so that's the shape. Oh, what am I doing? All right, that's the nice close. And I'm gonna take a 5 here. All right, how many points is that? So again, this is a paper trade because I'm done for the week. I'm just practicing. So yeah, again, I'm taking this trade live on my Discord. So if you wanna join the Discord community, check the link in the description. Uh, there's a sale going on right now, so you might not miss it. You don't want to miss it. So far, it's looking good. But if we tap the midpoint of that inversion gap one more time, I'll add 5 more minutes. I'll add one more position right there. Okay, what is not gonna happen? I think. I mean, which is not gonna happen. Let's see. I'm gonna cancel that. Yeah, it's looking nice. I'm gonna put my stop loss first right there. But we have a nice push down. That's a nice push down. I like it. I like it. La, 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 la. I like it. All right. I think this candle probably gonna take out this low right here. I'm probably gonna close. Um, let me see. Let me take a 5 there. I kind of think that. Oh, okay. Yeah. So we have this SMT right here. Then the next minute price could spike up, so I don't want to risk it. I'm gonna have my stop loss right here. Not break even, but just above the midpoint of this inversion fair value gap. 2 more minutes left. And it's a bit choppy, to be honest. Okay, that's a huge candle, dude. Whatever. If I get stopped out on this, that'll be fair. That's it. We are bullish, to be honest, but yeah, uh, I think we're gonna see higher prices, but I really want to see these lows get second. You see these two lows down here? These are too smooth for me. And you could see price tried one more time to push higher, but didn't even reach the consequent encroachment of that inversion level gap. So that's a good thing. Now I want to see it breaks below that low aggressively. Right there. So we took okay, that's nice. Now we're going down. All right, come on. It's a bit laggy here, chat, but I'm also looking at my phone on my broker, so I can see where it is right now. Yeah, check out this. I'm going for these lows. Come on, come on, just a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, I'll probably go break even right now. There's no point. Uh, if it doesn't reach up to that low, this low right here, there's no point having a stop loss above around there because it can literally go up anytime and take you out of the position. But this was literally a nice trade. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on. Man, this is gonna be the shortest video I've ever did. Pretty nice trade, chat. Pretty nice trade. Within the next candle, it should push lower. I wanna see the next 1 minute candle push lower right now. So if it doesn't do that, yeah, there we go. We're still in. Let's see what's next. The next candle does. Yeah, I think this candle is gonna fill me in. Come on. Yeah, there we go. It's a bit laggy here, chat. So you cannot see it properly. Yep, we're done. There's the business. There's the pusher. There's the pusher. There it is. The execution. We are done for the day with that, and hopefully I'll catch you guys uh, tomorrow. And look at the reaction of that. Just as soon as we sweep that low, this low right here, look at the reaction. And there is the business. There is the business. So that high I talked about earlier, like you can see it. And many of you may say that when you don't know to like wait for 9:30 to play out. For me, usually, I trade usually like 4 or 5 cents per week. So uh, according to my strategy, if I see a clear drawn liquidity, um, I can trust the fact that if I'm on the right side, I won't get spiked up or stopped up. And I told you that if price stays within this range, then it probably can spike up and then go down. In that case, I won't be taking any trade. But if it takes out this low, I'm gonna enter a short, and you could see the exact sell right there. Took off half of the position right here, took off another partial right there, and the rest of the position right here, and it's done. There you can see that the hourly highs, these hourly highs, probably gonna get taken. We literally exited at the bottom, so that was nice. And by the way, the Discord sale is still going on until 10th of February. So if you wanna join that, check the link in the description. And yeah, man, wish you very best on in trading, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace out, chat.